dispose.
Myntri Tnat Civil Aviation jong soka pedeng uram hon naidu kinjarapu mentagasngi ula penbenai ka jinglong balakloi jong soka pedeng ban Kyntiew ki kam ki bedai ba ka jingpen her Liengsuiñ hapo Jylla Meghalaya ban kam penbha ia kalet kawan bat ban wanra ia jing mentoi syaki pat ba jong kini ke Jylla. Une Myntri ula ong ba ke Jylla Meghalaya ka don bon kilat kilenti ban Kyntiew ia ki kam Liengsuiñ. Ukin jarapu ula kuboru arteli ki jingkerpat ki bekongsan na kasoka Jylla. Kabaningkong kalong ban penhe ya kakat Liengsuiñ Shillong ba onla ban penhiari ki Liengsuiñ ki bakhamhe bat kabaar kalong ban pentreikam ya kakat Liengsuiñ hatura khnang ba onla ban penher Liengsuiñ.
And to secure
Nikular bangin pendankam.
And being the minister, in fact, our Honorable Chief Minister Conradji has been strongly pursuing since I've been minister for last 5 months, and every day, every minute, he has been constantly pursuing for bettering the aviation facilities in the state of Meghalaya. And two requests that he is strongly pursuing. One is that the Shillong airport should be expanded, and then the bigger flights have to come in, and his dream is to bring a direct flight from Delhi to Shillong. And I assure him that we'll make it a reality. We'll provide the necessary support so that the Shillong airport gets upgraded so the bigger flights also come in.